Cheers.
Happy holidays.
What wine we're drinking, Rich? Market of Castorus white wine, eh? Beautiful.
Lovely mussels.
Bread.
Biggest mussels I've ever seen.
Hey, this is the best holiday ever. The best holiday I've ever had. Sleeping beauties here. And look at this view. This is what you call a beach bar. Chingarito. Absolutely roasting that. We are burning here, frazzling. Love it. Hasta luego.